Today, we're excited to introduce you to a new generation of open models on behalf of Google to assist developers and researchers in building AI responses for code-based queries. Gemma is a text-to-text AI generator that belongs to the family of lightweight ultramodels. This latest open model is built from the same research and technology that had been used in designing Gemini models. Gema is a family of 4 new LLM models associated with Google and based on Gemini AI. All the variants of this model can be run on various types of consumer hardware, even without quantization, and have a context length of 8K tokens. Now, let me reveal to you all 4 models of this AI model along with their advanced capabilities. Gema 7B, Base 7B Parameter Model. Gema 7B IT, Instruction Fine-Tuned version of the Base 7B model. Gema 2B, Base 2B Parameter Model. Gema 2B IT, Instruction Fine-Tuned version of the Base 2B model. This new launch of the OpenAI model has a wide range of capabilities. For example, it offers 6 trillion tokens, while Llama provides only 1.2 or hardly 2 trillion tokens to their users. You are allowed to use 156,000 vocabulary words on Gema, while you are only able to reach 32,000 vocabulary words using Llama. Now, let's move to the configuration of this new AI model. First, we will go to the Google Cloud and then Vertex API. As you can see here, 3 options are available: Dashboard, Model Garden, and Pipelines. Hence, we will click on the Model Garden one. Here, you can see all the models of the OpenAI, so we will go for the Gema one. For this, we will click on View Details of the Gema model and we'll put our prompt before clicking on the Submit button. For example, here we have put Mastering SEO, free app script for bulk audit spreadsheet backlinks, and click on the Submit button. As we click on the Submit button, the response is automatically filled in the box below, along with the Copy Response button. To take another look, we will give another prompt on how to fix phpMyAdmin error, hy000/1045 access denied, and we'll hit the Submit button. If you are facing issues on the same topic, phpMyAdmin and backlinks audit, then you can watch both of these videos from the I button. Once it's done, we will go back to the model selection by clicking on the Model Garden button. Here, we will move towards the Gemini Pro model. For this, we will click on the View Details button just like we did last time. Once you click on the View Details button, the interface of the Gemini Pro model will open up to you. Now, we will click on the Open Language Studio button. From here, you need to put the prompt simply, just like you give to the ChatGPT. As you will click on the Send button, the response will get filled automatically into the response box. Both AIs, whether they are Gemini or Gema, are as simple as the ChatGPT. Therefore, you just need to enter the prompt and hit the Send button, and you will get the generated response. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.